Hello and welcome to Coach Chris Sports Youth Sports Coaching Tutorial. I'm Coach Chris, creator of this tutorial, founder of CoachChrisSports.com, and I created this tutorial to help anyone who is working with children to be a better coach, a better mentor, and just have a better interaction with the kids, with the children that they are working with. But this course is designed specifically and focused on parents or anyone coaching a youth sports team or working with children in a sports capacity. Inside, you will find over 15 years of experience that I have packed into this tutorial. We will take you on a natural progression from the theory of coaching and what's involved to the preparation, the preseason, the season, all the way to the end where we evaluate and look back on what we've done and how we can improve. So this tutorial could easily be a 2 or 3 day full training session, but I've packed it into this tutorial so that way you have the quickest, easiest, cleanest, most pure, best information possible to take with you on your journey of being the best youth sports coach that you can be. So thank you again for checking out my tutorial. I know that if you're here and you're watching, you want to be a better coach, you want to be a better influence, you want to be a better role model for those kids, and the information contained in this tutorial, I'm confident will help you do just that. I look forward to seeing you at the end of this tutorial after you've seen all the information and taken in everything that this tutorial has to offer on your way to being a better coach.